Welcome to Easy English Listening.
Alex, look at these walls. They're so boring.
I think the white color is fine, Sarah.
No, it's too old. We need something modern.
Like what? Bright orange?
No, maybe a soft light green.
That sounds okay, but it will be a lot of work.
We can do it ourselves this weekend.
Are you sure? We are not professional painters.
It's easy. I watched a video online.
Look at all these different brushes.
We need a large roller for the walls.
And a small brush for the corners.
Which green do you prefer? This one or that one?
This one is called Forest Mist. I like it.
It looks a bit dark. How about spring grass?
Let's take spring grass. It's more cheerful.
Okay, we also need some plastic to cover the floor.
Put it in the cart. Let's go pay. This sofa is much heavier than I remembered.
Push it towards the window, Alex.
I am pushing. It's not moving.
Wait, there is a rug under the leg.
Okay, try now. There we go.
Should we move the TV to the bedroom?
Yes, it's safer there. I don't want paint on it.
I'll take the cushions. You take the TV.
Deal. Watch out for the door frame.
First, we need to clean the dust off.
I have a wet cloth right here.
Don't forget to remove the pictures and nails.
Where should I put the nails?
Put them in this small jar so we don't lose them.
Look, there is a small crack near the ceiling.
We need to fill it with some putty.
I'll do it. It needs to be very smooth.
Great. I'll start taping the edges of the floor. Okay, it's time to open the can.
Give me the screwdriver to pry the lid off.
Wow, the color is very bright.
Don't worry, it usually looks darker when it dries.
We need to stir it for a long time.
Use this wooden stick. Go slowly.
It smells very strong in here.
Open the window wide. We need fresh air.
Good idea. I feel a bit dizzy already.
Who wants to start first?
You do it. You are taller than me.
What do you think?
Oh, it looks beautiful on the wall.
It's actually quite fun to do this.
Let me try the roller now.
Be careful. Don't put too much paint on it.
Oops.
See, I told you. Use the tray to remove the extra.
Alex, look at your nose.
What's wrong with my nose?
You have a big green spot on it.
Oh no, now it's on my hand too.
You look like a green alien.
Very funny. You have paint on your hair.
What? Where? Get it out quickly.
Sit still. I'll use a wet tissue.
This renovation is getting messy.
I am too tired to go to the kitchen.
Let's just eat our sandwiches here.
We are sitting on the floor like campers.
It's a renovation picnic.
Do you think one coat of paint is enough?
No, the instructions say we need 2 coats.
That means we will be here all evening.
It's okay. The results will be worth it.
Pass me the juice, please.
The walls are dry now. Time for round 2.
My arms are a bit sore from the roller.
I'll do the high parts this time.
Use the ladder. Don't stand on the chair.
The color looks much more solid now.
You're right. Spring grass was a good choice.
It makes the room look so much bigger.
We are almost finished with the painting.
Just 10 more minutes of work.
Now that the walls are green, the old shelf looks bad.
I agree. It's too dark and bulky.
Let's look online for a white one.
Look at this one. It has 5 shelves and a glass door.
It's perfect, and it's not very expensive.
Can we go to the store to pick it up?
Yes, it fits in the car if we fold the seats.
Let's go before the store closes.
Okay, the box is open. Where is the manual?
There are about 50 different screws here.
This looks like a giant puzzle.
Step 1, attach part A to part B.
Which one is part A? There are no labels.
It has 3 holes on the left side.
I think I found it. Give me the hex key.
This is going to take a long time, isn't it?
Don't talk. Just hold this board for me.
Alex, I think the back panel is upside down.
No, it's fine. See? It fits perfectly.
But the finished side is facing the wall.
Oh, you are right.
We have to take it apart and start again.
I hate these instructions.
It's okay. At least we found the mistake now.
Give me the screwdriver again.
Finally, the shelf is standing.
It looks great against the green wall.
Now we need to clean up all this plastic and tape.
I'll take the trash out to the big bin.
And I'll mop the floor to remove the dust.
Where are the curtains?
They're in the laundry room. I washed them.
Perfect. The room will look brand new.
Let's put your old books on the bottom shelf.
And we can put the plants on the top.
What about this photo of us in Italy?
Put it in the middle. It's my favorite.
It looks so cozy now, doesn't it?
Yes, it feels like a different apartment.
I'm so proud of our hard work.
We make a good team, Sarah.
Finally, we can relax.
My back hurts, but I am happy.
Do you want to watch a movie?
Only if it's a movie about people not painting walls.
Deal. I'll make some popcorn.
It was a long Monday, but worth it.
Happy Renovation Day, Alex.
Happy Renovation Day, Sarah.